Hello, Joe Varnador here with Note School, and I look forward to seeing you this Saturday, August 25th, 2018, at the full-day class that I'll be doing with KREIA. Guys, it's going to be a great day of learning. We're going to have a lot of fun, and we're going to do a deep dive into what it means to be a real estate note investor. I'm going to show you why it is super critical that all real estate investors actually learn the note side of the business over the next 12 months. So if you're not done your first deal, you don't have a whole lot of money to invest, I'm going to show you how to wholesale a note. Get the note under contract, flip it to someone else. Same thing you do with a house, you're just doing it with a note. So for all of you that are fix and flip investors, I'm going to show you how to double your acceptance rate when making offers without spending an extra dollar on marketing. Guys, we know that we have to make a lot of offers today. Prices are high, inventory is short. Typically 20 offers to get one deal accepted. I'm going to show you how to double that, get 2 deals accepted, 3, maybe 4. So guys, we're going to walk through that process of what it means and what that can do for your real estate investment business. Now, we're also going to go into how to be a passive investor, how to be a real passive investor, how to be the bank versus being the landlord. Now, I'm also going to show you how to invest in notes with your self-directed IRA. There is no better investment than you can make in your IRA than a performing or a non-performing note. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you how that if you have as little as $100 in your self-directed IRA, I'll show you how to control a note worth $100,000 or more. We will talk about non-performing notes a bit as well. Show you why non-performing notes are the super value buy for today's real estate investor. How to find them, how to price them, and how to make money with them. I'm also going to finish up and show you what it means to sell a piece of a note. So we can buy an entire note and we can sell a piece of it. And guys, your returns will go through the roof. We've got a lot to learn on Saturday. I look forward to seeing you there. It is going to be a great day, I promise. So I'll see you bright and early this Saturday morning, August 25th, at the KREIA one-day class. See you then. Thanks.